Excel is the most widely used software in our industry, but creating separate workbooks for each task in your workday and copying data from one to another creates the risk of errors, lost data, and security issues, and ultimately takes up too much of your time. In this lightning demo, I'll show you how LASTRADA's centralized binder database stores what's commonly kept in multiple spreadsheets in one system. Let's start with the declaration. A declaration is a product. In here, we have a binder declaration showing the properties of a product produced to meet a specification out of a facility. This would be equivalent to a certificate of compliance. Our declaration example is for a 6428. Here's specifications. This contains the minimum requirements needed to create that product. Now that we have our declaration, our specifications, here's our recipes. Here's the recipe that we use to create that 6428 product. Production QC sample of the 6428 used to collect test data. When a technician creates a sample, simple selections give them quick access to connected information as needed, as demonstrated here. Here, under our Administration tab, is where we store the locations of our production facilities, our customer information, our supplier information, and our agency information. Is where we keep our projects. Our projects are connected to clients and can be assigned to QC samples, so you always find test data for any project or client when you need it. The last thing I'm going to show you is this oven. You can also manage all your equipment records and calibrations. Some equipment properties, like picnometer volumes, are available for use by tests. Each of these specific screens you see here are typically stored in multiple spreadsheets. In LASTRADA, the same information is stored in one database and connected, helping you efficiently complete your work. Thank you for watching. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.